Welcome back. In this video, let us see how we will be able to find out if a sheet contains formula or not. Whenever you get a sheet or you prepare a sheet, you use formulas in the worksheet and you wanted to know or understand if the sheet contains formula or not. To know if the sheet has formula applied or not, you have to select the range of cells, and after selecting the range of cells, you have to select home, and you need to select find and select option. In find and select, there is an option go to special. You need to select this option, go to special. In go to special, you have to select the formulas. So this is the option which you have to select. You select the formulas and select OK. The cells which has formula, it will be highlighted. Now, since you know these are the cells which contains the formula, what you can do is you can simply color those cells. Use the color code so that you know these are the cells which has formulas applied. If you select any other cell, these are the cells which doesn't contain formula. That is the reason it is not highlighted. While selecting the range of cells, I have not selected the column H cells. Column H cells also contains the formula. So in column H also we have formulas applied. So what I will do is I will select the entire range again, and I will click on find and select, go to special, select formulas and click on OK. Now you see the cells under column H is also highlighted. I will color code those columns as well. Now all the cells which has formula has been highlighted with a color code. So this is one way to identify if a cell contains formula or not. There is another method to identify if a cell has formula or not. There is a function which we can use. The function name is formula. So this function is a logical formula. What it does is it checks the cell and it will tell you if formula is applied, then it is going to give the result as true. If formula is not applied, then the result will be false. So basically this function is a logical formula. So I will use the is formula function, open the bracket. I will select the cell which doesn't have the formula. Now I have selected F3. This cell doesn't have the formula, so the result will be false. And if I drag the cells, we get the result as false. So which means in column F, none of the cells has been applied with the formula. Let us take an example of G here, and if I use is formula, I will is formula, then open the bracket. I need to select the cell in G column. I have selected. Now the result should be true. I will enter. Because we have the formula in G column, the result will be true. I will copy the formula for all the cells. Under column G, all the cell as applied with the formula. We will also do for H column is formula. Open the bracket. I will select H and this is also true. So in column H also we have formula. So this way we will be able to find out if a particular cell or a particular sheet has formula applied or not using the menu option or is formula function. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.